Welcome to this podcast for any Ajax.
Welcome to this podcast and all Ajax customers and those interested in metal and groundwater detectors. I'm Robert, the program presenter. Today, we will discuss numerous subjects related to the Ajax company and answer the most often asked questions.
First
and foremost, we invite Mr. Mark F. Williams, the official representative of Ajax International Group, to answer some questions about the organization. Welcome, sir.
Welcome, dear viewers.
Are you ready for your interview?
Yes, I am ready.
I won't ask you
I won't ask you too many questions. Tell us first about your firm and how it's developed.
Ajax was created in 1990.
Ajax was created in 1998 and began its business as an official distributor of well-known international brands of metal and groundwater research equipment. Its activities have spread to other countries around the world, including the United States, the Middle East, and Africa.
Tell us more about the company.
Tell us more about the company's beginnings and when it was.
At the end of 2015,
At the end of 2015, Ajax decided to start its brand. After 3 years of extensive testing, Ajax produced its first metal detector and groundwater devices, which are extremely coveted and widely utilized due to the quality of the materials used and the superior technology applied.
Metal detectors are fascinating tools that captivate amateurs and professionals. What are the target groups for your company's products?
Ajax focused on serving 3 major categories. First, large mining companies, government and private enterprises are involved in the exploration of mineral nuggets and groundwater through Ajax high-quality detectors that are specially made for this type of major business, like the Primero system. Second, professional prospectors and treasure hunters through multi-system devices that meet all their needs, facilitate the search process, and give confidence to their users. Third, amateurs and beginners category through efficient, user-friendly, and highly accurate devices that give the user a unique and interesting experience.
Recently, your
worldwide reputation has spread rapidly. What countries does the company target to sell its products, and do you have authorized sales centers?
Regarding the countries targeted by Ajax, we can say all countries are without exception through major sales points and distributors deployed in many countries around the world, in addition to providing fast and secure freight to all nations.
You know that every company has a distinction from the other competitors in the market. My question is, what do Ajax's detectors distinguish from other companies?
One of the most striking points
that characterize Ajax from the rest of the companies is that it was ahead in devising multi-system detectors that included scientific techniques that didn't exist in the field of detection and that are now known as the new generation systems. After the great success of these devices, many reliable and unreliable companies have tried to replicate them and place them on the market as their products. However, the difference remains clear for every professional prospector. Ajax also made a qualitative shift in the form and content of the devices and converted conventional detectors, which were basic, large, and difficult to use, into modern scientific tools made from solid and lightweight materials, with a unique and carefully considered design to fit the detection process. For example, let's review Ajax Alpha, which is a practical application of the traditional detection technique known as copper bars technology, developed by Ajax and integrated into a small, user-friendly, highly accurate and effective device, and contains 2 search systems: manual, the most common system, and automatic, which is considered an exclusive technology for Ajax detectors. The success of these systems has prompted many other companies to make long-range system devices.
Can you specify the characteristics of these devices that your company produces for sale on the global market?
Ajax has a variety of sophisticated scientific devices with different systems to meet all the needs of clients. Ajax has sound detectors such as Tropic, which are popular among amateur and beginner explorers, as well as long-range detectors such as Alpha and Electra, which were designed specifically for experienced prospectors and can reach long distances and depths.
There are 3D imaging detectors such as
There are 3D imaging detectors such as Gamma and Troy, which are professional detectors that are generally used by exploration companies and professional prospectors, and the company also offers specialized water detectors such as Omega and Hydro Tracker, which are ideal devices for farm owners and well drilling companies. And of course, we don't forget the multi-system devices such as Ajax and Primero, which are the ones that combine several different systems with one device. And they are the best-selling ones, because they meet the client's extensive demands and offer more options during the search process.
Your explanation
was truly fascinating, but you didn't tell us where these sophisticated devices were made.
Well, Ajax is a leading global
Ajax is a leading global company that has been able to reserve a position among the major companies in this area. And this success refers to the use of advanced technology and high-quality materials in the manufacture of its equipment. Ajax is an American brand with many sales points around the world, like major global companies such as Apple, Samsung, Philips, and other large companies, where it isn't limited to a single manufacturing site, but to several places to make and sell its products.
Can you explain more to us?
Well, we have, for example, the giant smart device factory, Apple.
We have, for example, the giant smart device factory, Apple, which manufactures a large proportion of its products in China and other countries, which doesn't mean that its devices are of poor quality, but on the contrary. The purpose of this example is to emphasize that the manufacturing site is no longer the main factor in the success of firms, but more importantly, the level and quality of the product and the evolution of the technology used in it. As you can see here, these electronic boards of our devices that are before you show the craftsmanship, the high quality, and the accuracy of the design.
Are there any safeguards?
Are there any safeguards provided for the devices, and what will they include?
Yes, we offer a 2-year comprehensive
We offer a 2-year comprehensive guarantee with all the equipment, and our support team is keen to provide a detailed explanation of the scientific principle behind each system's operation through the training courses accompanying the device, which ensures that the client is fully aware of how the device works and the steps necessary to use it correctly. In addition, we provide detailed educational videos and a comprehensive user manual that accurately covers all aspects.
You know that every success has a tax.
You know that every success comes with its challenges, and in previous years the company has faced some criticism despite its ongoing development. What criticism has the company faced, and what's your response to it?
Well, over the
years, Ajax detectors have proved to be among the best in the market. Yet, like any leading company, we face competition and challenges. We appreciate the constructive criticism and valuable opinions of our clients and take them into account. But unfortunately, sometimes some people seek to discredit the company by spreading false information and defamation without evidence. On the other hand, we are confident that our loyal clients will distinguish between false facts and allegations that are not based on any real evidence or experience.
We are also confident that
the viewers are already aware of this. And my last question to you today: what is the plan for the company? Are we going to witness the emergence of new devices?
We at Ajax are always keen to gain the confidence and satisfaction of our clients, and we are working hard to develop innovative systems and make innovative high-quality and technical devices to meet all the needs of prospectors, whether they are companies or individuals. In this regard, I will share with you a special secret. We are currently launching new devices that will represent a qualitative shift in the field of precious metal detectors. As we see here, the new device will be on the market soon, which contains 15 search systems to give the explorer greater ability to determine the target to be searched for.
Thank you, Mr. Mark.
Thank you, Mr. Mark, for your hard work and for this valuable information that has been truly beneficial to us. And we will thank you, dear viewers, for following up on this podcast, in which we have provided answers to the most outstanding questions you have asked. Hopefully, we've cleared up some queries about Ajax. We would also like to express our gratitude to Mr. Mark F. Williams, the official representative of Ajax International Group, for his valuable participation with us today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.
Ajax, a different perspective in the world of metal detections.